Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky. Have you ever wondered how smart AI systems make decisions and take actions all on their own? Today, we are breaking down the concept of AI agent architecture in simple terms. Think of an AI agent architecture as a master blueprint. It is the framework that dictates how an AI perceives information, processes options, and acts to reach a goal. At the core of the architecture is the brain. This central reasoning module, often powered by a large language model, processes user requests and decides what to do next. To solve complex problems, agents need planning and memory. The planning engine breaks big tasks into smaller steps, while memory stores recent context and long-term knowledge. An AI agent isn't just a chatbot, it uses external tools. Through APIs, web browsing, and database access, the agent can perform real tasks in the physical or digital world. Consider an online store. An AI support agent receives a refund request, checks order details in a database, applies company policy, and processes the refund instantly. Architectures vary in complexity. They range from simple reactive setups that respond instantly, to multi-agent networks where multiple specialized AIs collaborate together. Whether powering coding assistants or managing global supply chains, well-designed architectures make AI truly useful. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more tech insights. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.